Hi guys. So yan, for some reason ang iingay dito sa compound, dito sa may apartment. Dito, it's Friday today and it's 10:50. So yan, 10:50 p.m. Gising na gising pa ako. Although nakakaramdam na ako ng antok, but I still need to do this. I ordered 4, it's 10 kala ko nga hindi na ako makaka-order ng food sa Grab. Hindi naman sa nagugutom ako na super duper nagugutom ako, but I'm craving for something sweet. I'm particularly craving for donuts. So yan. So for some reason, I really have to give in to these cravings. So yan. So in-order ko lang yung random box of donut. Ay, sarap. So these are the flavors that I got. So yung original ata, and I don't know kung ano pa yung tatlong, I didn't check, but sabi ko any random donuts will do and will save my night. Will save my night. So ayan, and then I also ordered for Spanish latte, coffee. Cold naman, iced coffee naman ang in-order ko. So right now, just to give you an idea why I'm still up at this time. Ayan. Medyo sweet Masyadong matamis. Tamis ng donut, tamis pa ng Okay. I'm still arranging my stuff. I'm packing up for my Manila trip, for my birthday. Eme-eme. So, yan. So, tikman muna natin itong plain donuts while I'm watching YouTube while doing my stuff here. Nagpapack ako ng mga things kasi nga tomorrow I'll be traveling to Manila. It's good thing it's not raining today. Today until this evening, hindi naman siya umuulan. But the weather forecast, maulan daw. Minsan talaga nakakalito yung mga announcement natin. So this coffee is from Dear Joe. Dear Joe nga ba? Tamis. Ayan. I will be uploading this vlog on my YouTube, pero i-schedule ko siya. This is going to appear on my YouTube. Siguro i-upload ko to ng July 23. I need to transfer all my photos, all my videos. Ingay sa kapitbahay, diba? Ewan ko, may celebration siguro sila yun. Grabe makatawa. Kakaraoke sila jam. Okay naman yung sugar ko eh. Huwag ko lang papanay-panayin talaga. Hindi naman ako on a daily basis talaga nagsisweets eh. Pero ang tamis nitong Dear Joe ah. Pero masarap naman. Walang kwenta yung ano ko yung vlog ko. Another one. Masarap to ah. May cashew siya. Cashew siya. May cashew. Dalawa lang kakainin ko. Hindi ko balak ubusin ko. Bukas na lang ulit. Buti na lang yesterday, I finished all my errands. Tapos ngayon, hindi na rin ako umalis. Nag-utos na lang ako. Kabili kasi ako ng diles tsaka tuyo sa market. Kasi I will be bringing it with, to my mom. Tapos, after my class, diretso na ako umuwi. Nag-ayos-ayos. Narinig niyo ba yung mga tawanan? Kairita? Anyway, that's it guys.